My name is Judith. I am 51 years old from Bohol, Philippines. I am single parent. I have one son, aged 10 years old, and two daughters, ages 20 and 17 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level in elementary education. My expertise is cooking, child care, and elderly care. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 9 years and 4 months with 3 employers. Currently, I serve one couple and one child aged 10 years old. My duties are taking care of the child, cooking Chinese and Western food, doing all households like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I am willing also to take care of kids. To my future employer, mom, sir, please hire me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and fast learner and understanding. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, mom, sir. I'm looking forward to work with you.